There's one there that's probably a little bit bigger than quarter.
Didn't take you long to get in.
Oh, that's a good one, Joseph, right there.
Where?
Just landed on the. Oh, he's.
Look at him. What is that?
Yeah.
Hit the roof. Hit the roof.
Any questions?
What?
I don't think there's any question about the hailstones now. I'll go pick it up here. Yeah.
Is that the tornado that they're looking at over there?
That's where the rotation
Here's
is.
the quarter.
Joseph, take a picture.
You can send it to them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can email that to Norman. There's some more out there too that are bigger.
Oh, that one over there. It's all blurry. I don't know why it's so blurry. Oh, that's, look at that. Woo! All right.
A quarter. Angela, right inside the door.
Oh, look at that one over there.
Here, I'll put it right there.
Right there.
I'll run out and get it.
Oh. Oh, wow.
There's a quarter there.
Ow, him in the nose. Yeah. Yeah, it kind of hurts. Woo. Woo.
Look how big it is compared to a dollar bill.
That's a good picture. Alright.
Just the dollar bill, you know that it's a dollar bill.
Here, you can take that and give that to Mom. I want my new roof.
This is amazing. This is one on Facebook. Wow.